Hello everyone, this is Miss Maral, your art teacher. I hope you all are doing awesome. Welcome to today's art lesson. Today we're going to talk about color schemes. So, to talk about color schemes, first of all, we need to talk about color wheel and color theory. So I'm pretty sure you talk about these a lot of times when you were having your previous art lessons. But come on, let's talk about it one more time. So there you can see a basic color wheel, which is a collection of 12 colors. These 12 colors include 3 primary, 3 secondary, and 3 tertiary colors. Let's remember the primary colors. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. These are the foundation of the color wheel. Their true color pigments cannot be created by mixing any other combination of colors. All the other colors in the color wheel are created from these 3 color hues. Now let's look at secondary colors. These secondary color hues are created by mixing equal parts of 2 primary colors. So when you mix red and blue, you have violet. When you mix red and yellow, you have orange. When you mix blue and yellow, you have green. And tertiary colors. In total, there are 6 tertiary colors. These tertiary color hues are created by mixing equal parts of a primary and a secondary color together. Let's look at this one. When you mix primary blue and secondary violet, you have blue-violet. And when you mix red primary and violet secondary, you have red-violet, such as you have red-orange, yellow-orange, yellow-green, and blue-green. These are tertiary colors. Let's take a look at analogous colors. Analogous color scheme includes 3 neighboring colors. These 3 colors are next to each other on the color wheel. They are composed of one dominant color. It's usually a primary or a secondary color. Then a supporting color, which is a secondary or tertiary color. And a third color that is either a mix of the 2 first colors or an accent color that pops. These color schemes achieve a harmonious look and feel. They usually match very well. Now let's take a look at complementary colors. Complementary colors are those that enhance each other. They're opposite colors and they're located directly across from one another on the color wheel. The color wheel consists of 6 basic sets of complementary colors: yellow and violet, yellow-orange, and blue-violet, orange and blue, red-orange and blue-green, red and green, red-violet, and yellow-green. Now let's take a look at split complementary colors. Split complementary is a color scheme using 1 base color and 2 secondary colors. Instead of using a complementary color, 2 colors placed symmetrically around it on the color wheel are used. We get a combination of 1 warm and 2 cold colors, or the other way around. Here you can see yellow, blue-violet, and red-violet, orange, blue-green, and blue-violet, red, yellow-green, and blue-green, violet, yellow-green, and yellow-orange, blue, yellow-orange, and red-orange, green, red-orange, and red-violet. Now let's take a look at monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic color scheme focus on one single color, often using variations of that hue by incorporating tints, tones, and shades. By adding hints of white or black, that single color expands into an entire palette with varying amount of value. Here you can see the entire color palette with a monochromatic color scheme. Monochromatic color schemes can be used in different ways, such as here you can see one single color with monochromatic values. And here you can see analogous colors with a monochromatic color scheme. There are primary colors with a monochromatic color scheme. And here, orange and blue complementary colors with a monochromatic color scheme. Okay, let's see some examples from nature. Let's try to name the color schemes in the photographs all together. Let's look at this first one. I can see analogous colors, yellow-green, yellow, and yellow-orange. And this next one. Again, analogous colors, green, yellow-green, and yellow. Let's look at this next one. I see monochromatic colors. You can see different values of orange. This next one, it's a frog. You can see complementary colors, red and green. And this flower, it also has complementary colors, violet and yellow. Let's look at this landscape. It also has a monochromatic color scheme. It has values of blue. The next one, let's look at this bird. This bird has complementary colors, orange and blue. Well done if you answered with me. And now, let's practice. So, I want you to create a color wheel with me. You start with a circle and divide your circle 12 equal areas. I want you to give 3 examples for analogous colors and 3 examples for complementary colors and 3 examples for split complementary colors. And you can add an area for monochromatic colors. Pick one color and create values of that single color. So this information is very important for your future artworks. But not only for your artworks, you can use color scheme knowledge in your daily life. You can use color schemes to dress better. You can use color schemes while decorating your room. You can even use color schemes in your homeworks and presentations to make them more attractive. You guys go ahead and research how artists and designers are using color schemes. You will have endless resources because colors are everywhere. Thanks so much for watching and joining me today, and I see you all next week. Bye guys.